Hey guys, it's Megan here, and I wanted to first of all thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is my no dig, really next to nothing garden that I started this year. I didn't want to be spending a whole lot of money or time doing this because I am such a busy mom, but I went ahead, took some sweet potatoes, a couple of sweet potatoes that I got from somebody that were homegrown, and I just let them bud up, or whatever that's called. I'm not a professional here. And I put them in the ground, threw some dirt over it, kept throwing dirt over it. I bought some soil, dirt, compost and stuff, and I just kept throwing our clippings from our when we mowed our grass, and just threw it right over here. But anyways, nonetheless, I let these potatoes grow just to try to see what I could do. I only took a couple of them, and I ended up with about full handfuls of sweet potatoes. I started small just to test it out, didn't want to spend a whole lot of money, just wanted to try to start out first of all to see if I could do the no dig garden method, and also to see if I could grow some sweet potatoes. So here you go. I wanted to just share the message and share my journey in life. And even though I am such a busy mom and just having a busy lifestyle right now, it's crazy busy this summer. I don't even know how I've been functioning this summer, just because there's just been so much going on. But nonetheless, I went ahead and tried it, and I feel like I'm like a total failure at gardens. But the message that I want to deliver today is that even if you feel like you're failing at something, or you can't afford something, just keep trying to find methods, ways to save money, ways to cut costs here and there, and keep trying whatever it is you may be doing, that you might be trying a new project or whatever. Just keep trying and keep going, and you will succeed. So have a good attitude in life, and keep going. So here's what I got here, and thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you, and if you are new, consider subscribing, and thanks for coming here today. Bye.